Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about my beautiful crock pot that I got on Amazon a while ago. In this video, I am going to talk about some of the things I really like about this crock pot, and also one thing I think you should know before buying. The first thing I really like about this brand are the beautiful color options they have. I love every single one of them. The next one I want to buy is a red color. This one is this, I think they call it slate gray. It's a grayish color, but it kind of has an undertone of blue. It's beautiful. It has the dark areas and the lighter areas. I think it's a very well made pot. This crock pot has a lot of weight. You can't hold this with only one hand. And I got the 7-quart, which is big. It's like a medium size. You can compare it to my hand. It's not small. I feel like this is perfect for stews and I don't know, for a smaller family. The cover also has a little bit of weight, which I love. It seals everything inside really well, as you can see. Let me show you the inside real quick. I love this creamy color. It's not yellow, it's like a light cream color. You can use this in the oven. You're safe to use this in the oven. You can use on stovetop, oven up to 500 degrees, so you should be fine cooking pretty much anything in this, especially slow cook. This is amazing for slow cook. I use this all the time to make my stew, and I don't know, I feel like it's so much easier making it in this crock pot. These crock pots are made of cast iron, so you can pretty much make anything in here. You can marinate, you can cook, you can slow cook. It's very, very versatile. And now the one thing you should know before even getting this crock pot is that you need to be careful when you're, just putting the lid down or moving it around, because this finish right here can crack. If you hit it too hard on any type of surface, or even the spoon, if you hit too hard, you're gonna get cracks on the outside finish. And I know that because my mother-in-law, she has a few of these, and you can see a few cracks here and there, and she learned, the worst way, that you have to be very careful when using these. But yeah, overall, like I said, they're beautiful. It's just such an amazing thing to have in the kitchen, because you can use this and make anything in here.